We use QuickBooks to track all of our company's revenue and expenses. This is the main dashboard, and we have several accounts connected to it, as well as several employees' cards connected to it as well. We also use QuickBooks to send receipts to our customers and keep track of which payments we've received and deposited them. We don't use the payment functions of QuickBooks because most of our bills are pretty expensive, so we don't want to be taking 3 or 5% out of there. We haven't used QuickBooks cash flow function because we found that it doesn't help us really deal with projections very well, because sometimes we project beyond what we have loaded into invoices. And then we also need some better expense tracking, because sometimes we have annual expenses every year or things like that that are more or less expensive. So we haven't really found a great way to track cash flow, money in and out, or future cash flow 12 months out through QuickBooks. We do use it to keep track of our expenses as well as our payroll. Our CPA uses the payroll to run QuickBooks, runs QuickBooks through the payroll. The thing that I use most in QuickBooks is going to be the reports. And so I have some favorite reports. Profit by month, loss by month is pretty much the report that I look at most often. Reconcile what our monthly profit is really against our expenses. And so this helps me look at all of our expenses. I really like that I can kind of click through and see the different details for particular expenses on the reports. One of the things I wish QuickBooks did is calculate net profit, gross profit, and things like that as percentages in the actual P&L. We use the P&L really as the main structure to manage our company's finances, so we can project out all of our expenses for a year. We do that in Google Sheets, and so it would be great if we were also able to understand our net profit, gross profit, and things like that through this balance sheet. Or I guess profit. That's all. Love QuickBooks. Thank you.